Hey friends, Scott Holmes again here, standing in front of a 2020 Bennington 23 RSB. This is another fresh trade that we just got in. We sold this boat brand new. It was used on Lake Keowee and stayed up on a lift underneath the covered dock, all fresh water. All the service was performed by us as well. This customer just traded this boat in for a new Bennington. That's how much he loved the boats. This one has our ESP tritoon hull, which is our big 32-inch oval hull with a 250 horsepower Mercury V8. So plenty of power to do everything you want to on the water. Will really get you riding with a smooth, fast, crisp ride. This one's loaded with features as well. It's got the two-tone panel with the silver and black accent. Also has the anodized blackout package, so all the railings and skirting, everything is done in black, which really just sets it out on the water. Come around here to the back of the boat and let me show you some of the features here. This is the swing back model. So it's got the huge rear lounger seat, cup holders, stereo remote, ski pylon, and then that 250 horsepower motor that I was telling you about. Wait till you see the inside of this boat. Come on aboard. So this is actually the favorite boat that Bennington makes. It has huge forward chase loungers that wrap all the way around. It's got the plush pillow top upholstery. It has the flip up and down armrests with chargers stored away so you can keep your devices charged. Super comfortable layout. As you come to the back of the boat, you have another chase lounge with armrest here. And then this is where the swing back seat comes into play. So you can either have your nice rear lounger or flip it in to give you a complete wraparound seat. This Bennington bimini top is 10 feet long, so everybody underneath here can get lots of shade. Come and take a look at this console. It's got the elevated helm, the upgraded Bluetooth stereo, and the Simrad digital dash, so all your display, including your gauges and GPS and chart plotter, are on that screen. This boat even has the RBG color light package with exterior and interior lights. We'd love to show you more about it and how you can get on the water with us today. Come back and see us at MarineMax in Greenville.